Open enrollment for Medicare begins today. If you're one of the 64 million people enrolled, it's important to review your plan. You can see cost and coverage changes. And it's also important to remember some Medicare-related changes passed in the Inflation Reduction Act take effect next year. Enrollment is open until December, but it's a good idea to tackle it early. Andrea Spencer, Vice President of Communications for ElderSource, joins us via Zoom this morning. Good morning, and thank you so much for joining us, Andrea.
Good morning. This is important information, and I'm glad to share it.
It certainly is. So right out of the gate, what are some of the biggest changes we expect to see this year?
Well, you may see some changes to your premiums as well as coverage. You know, your doctor may or may not be on your plan. So this is why it's important to get some guidance to choose a Medicare plan that fits all of your needs.
You know, this really is a lot to look through, a lot to comb through. What is the one warning you would give people when it comes to getting outside help or counseling?
Well, I would say call Shine. ElderSource has a program called Shine, Serving Health Insurance Needs of Elders. And it's free and unbiased counseling about how to choose a Medicare plan that's best for you. So I think what's important to remember is you want somebody to guide you. You don't want somebody to lead you astray. So you have the opportunity to make the choice that's for you. And Shine is just that. We have amazing volunteers that are highly trained to understand all the ins and outs about Medicare. It's free and it's unbiased. And what's also important to note is that we do not attempt to sell you anything. These are volunteers, and they're not allowed to have an insurance license. So they give you that comfort and confidence in knowing that the information that's being shared to you is accurate and hopefully guide you through the process. They won't make the decision for you, but they will lead you through some of those complicated things right now that are just a little hard to understand. It is a complicated process.
And it's so important to have that trustworthy, open line of communication. And what are some of the most common questions you would say that counselors get?
I would think some of the most common questions are, is my Medicare is my doctor on this plan? How can I save money? Is there something that's changed that might affect me and my choice for a Medicare plan? So I would say those are the things that people are most concerned about. And I think they're also sometimes concerned about Medicare fraud, which is another thing that the Shine counselor can help people understand where they may experience some scams. So we don't want people to go through that difficulty of having something that they haven't chosen. So I think, again, those Shine experts, they are just that. They are kind, they're confident about the choices of information that they're going to be giving you.
That is really, really important. Have you seen any scams here locally? Those Medicare scams are something serious to look at. Have you seen them locally?
They are getting very, very rampant. One of the ones that seem to be popping up, people are being encouraged to get a genetic test. So the genetic test is such that you may or may not need it. And if it's not recommended by your doctor, then you really want to stay away from anybody who's trying to give you that encouragement to get that Medicare genetic test. And I think it's important to note that you are only allowed one genetic test on your Medicare plan. So if you have it and it's not necessary, then you've already lost that choice to get the Medicare genetic test that you might actually really need. So that's important. And the other Medicare scams are those devices, something for your elbow or your neck that, yes, you may order something and all of a sudden they start appearing on your doorstep and you have a garage full of devices that you've paid for and they're charging Medicare for. So those are the scams that we're hearing about most often.
Real quick before we go, just a couple of seconds left. What is the number to call for help so people have that?
ElderSource's Shine number is 904-391-6699.
Andrea, such great information. Thank you so much. We really appreciate it and have a great day.
Thank you. Have a great day too.